Sino ang hindi pwedeng maging beneficiary ng life insurance mo? Let's find out.
Advocating the rights and interests of the insuring public.
According to Article 739 of the Civil Code, the following donations shall be void. First is those made between persons who were guilty of adultery or concubinage at the time of the donation. Number 2, those made between persons found guilty of the same criminal offense in consideration thereof. Number 3, those made to a public officer or his wife, descendants, and ascendants by reason of this office. Since ang beneficiary ng life insurance ay parang donation, ang masusunod na batas ay yung Article 739 ng Civil Code. Ibig sabihin nun, yung may mga legal issues na nabanggit, hindi sila pwedeng maging beneficiary ng life insurance mo. If you have further questions, mag-comment ka lang sa baba. Remember, who your insurance advisor is the most important.